How to cancel your Strava subscription. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to cancel your Strava subscription. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So all you need to do first is to open your Strava app on your phone, and once you've ensured that the Strava app has been opened on your phone, it's the home page of the Strava app will be displayed to you, where you have options like see what your friends are doing. So if you are interested in see what your friends are doing, you can simply click on that option. Then the next option is subscribe to Strava app. So if you've not subscribed before, you click on subscribe to Strava app. If you're interested, then you subscribe. So now, how to cancel your Strava subscription. At the lower part of your screen, you see icons like the home icon, the maps icon, the record icon, groups icon, and the U icon. All you need to do is to click on the U icon. The U icon is the fifth and the last icon on this row, just like I've done here. After clicking on the U icon, you wait for a page to be displayed on your screen, and once the page has been displayed, you have details on things that you want to change, how far you've gone using the app, the activities you've done, and all that. So at the top right corner of the screen, we have three icons. We have a profile icon, we have the search icon, then we have the settings icon. Since you want to cancel your Strava subscription, all you need to do is to click on the settings icon, that is the third and the last icon on this row at the top right corner. So once you click on it, you wait for the page to load, and once the page has loaded, you see different things that you can control, you can manage. Here we have your Strava subscription, restore purchases, privacy controls, default maps, display email notification, and so on. So you scroll up at the topmost part of the screen, you would see your Strava subscription. Since you want to cancel your Strava subscription, you simply click on this option, your Strava subscription. Then you wait for the page to load, and once the page has loaded, here I don't have any subscription, but for you, since you want to cancel your Strava subscription, you should have subscribed already. So here on the screen, you would see an option that would say cancel subscription. So you can click on cancel subscription if you really want to cancel your Strava subscription. But if you don't want to, or you've changed your mind, you can simply click on no, and your subscription will not be cancelled. So this is simply how to cancel Strava subscription on Strava app. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.